Hello everybody, how are you today and how is going your life? Actually, my life is going good. And now you can see class 8 of Microsoft Word documents. And today I'm gonna talking about layout. So layout is very important when you print out your page. Okay. So now let's see actually how many options are there and how to use these tools. So everybody, you can see this is Microsoft Word Documents window and I'm going to layout. So you can see the layout under some tool here. Under three group here, you can see first group is page setup and the next group is paragraph and the next group is arrange. So it's not actually use available. Okay, as soon as possible, I understand to you every tools, actually how to use this every tools. Okay, so first, let me take a word or text and I select some paragraphs and I'm going to here and paste there. And now next page. So you can see the three page here and first I'm going to show you margin. Margin is very important. You can see this the margin area is so beautiful and I'm going to it's a much more beautiful. Okay, so this is the normal and you can customize from here. Okay, this margin it's default on inchy and now I'm setting from default margin narrow. You can see the narrow means the side is half inchy and this is the moderate and this is width and this is the mirrors and this is office default. So this is the professional narrow. Every person use this size and this is orientation under two option. One option is portal like this and the next option is landscape like this. Okay, okay, I think you understand. And this is the size, is a page size, the A4 later. So this is actually popular size is A4. Okay, I'll set here A4 and now it's ready to print. You can print this option. Just how can you print that? From your keyboard, Control P, this option of print. I'm create a video for a print. Actually, how can you print every tools and I practically show you the print option. Now you can given column this page. Actually, how many column here? 3, 4. Oh, many column are here. You can create the column. Okay, this is the column number. Actually, how many column do you need? You can set here and you just click here. So this is the 2 column, 3 column, and this is the column, but it's one side is bigger and small. It's 3 column, it's 2 column. Okay, and you can given a line between text. Okay, okay, and the next option is break. Oh, let me just back. This is the break. Okay, so now I need to break this cursor point. Just click this page break. Just click on. So you can see the phrase is break. So all text is going here. Okay, now let's back. And many options are there. You can use the next page or even page, odd page, and continue. Okay, this option is same. And the next option is line number. You can include line number here. Every line here you can see. Okay, and rest each page just it's off and you can hyphen is the left and right. Just I'll show you automatic. So you can see. So this hyphen tool is doing every broken word a given hyphen. Okay. So it's understand means this is the broken word. Okay. And this word also, and this also, every word they create automatically. Now I'm off. And these are indent or spacing. It's a basic I see before tutorial. Okay. Again I show you. So you can see this option here, little bit increase or decrease is the right hand. And this is the next option is after spacing, top, and now I'm going to bottom. So you can see this is the bottom. Okay. And you can see this is actually not usable option. This video is enough for today, and keep practicing yourself what tools I use, and I show you and understand to you. Just use that. Okay. Have a good day.